Model, 67-plate Peugeot Bipper Professional HDI 80 Euro 6 needs turbo. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 151,710. MOT, the 17th of December 2024. Engine, 1248 CCF 13DTE5 E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Very easy job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is very eye-catching and in very good condition with virtually no dents or marks. Interior is very clean and you can really tell this van has been looked after. Rear load area is very clean with loads of life left in it.